Why lion is called the king of the jungle. Meet the lion, a symbol of power and nobility. Reigning over the animal kingdom, it's earned a royal title. Crowned as the king of the jungle, but why? Strength and courage play a big role. Its thunderous roar announces its presence, sending chills down the spine. A sound of authority, a sound of a king. Feared and respected by all, the lion embodies leadership. Its regal demeanor commands attention. So, the lion isn't just a king by name, but by nature too. The true embodiment of majestic power.